Hello, good evening everyone. I am Zafira Libya. I am an international relations student from 2024. I am from University of Jember. So today I will tell you a little bit about my faculty and my major. What is my faculty? My faculty is social and political science. And then what is my major? My major, of course, is international relations. Why? Why I choose international relations? Because the word international means the countries in this world. So the countries in this world, it's so interesting to travel. I want to travel all the countries in this world, so I need to take international relations. That's my biggest reason why I choose international relations to be my major. And then my dream is to be an embassy staff in Austria, because I like Austria so much, because in Austria we can find historical palace and all the beautiful things, so we can take a photograph from it. So guys, thank you very much for my little bit introduction about my faculty and my major. Goodbye.